kandi mwatuhanze kanda bukutureka rukundo yamani
mugani turabeto kundi murundi okuja mukagaruka kwatanisa nito mukushajika no kutuhagera rero twakora kintu cyo mutano munonga ahizo byo kwetegeka turaza kubanza no mpira hagati y'abeshobozi baburenje guizoba n'abahereza ba TV West na Radio West rero kwayanira chikopo hagati y'avuji ba boda boda hamwe n'abamakanika bona abambara state achacha Global High School mwisha mwena mwerebere cyafaye
takashiri na taragaza niruka naronde mushijo
orwamka
namuronde mukasheshe karimusha yambura nagarukayo nagandira bataka bebe ryawo batumwe tumukandebura mwamukande tuba kumureba nagaruka neta ko kirango iki kizingare kitambura umbantu omushiza tuba mureba kuri ibindi yawo nahicho umhara ndetireba nanzira ngo bure buhireyo ngitaka yanje yarutwara Wena ndibo unyambe
hapana
mumureka muteri
abataka mure
yafuzi mureka turi cyamafuzi
nifakazi
no kurwana no atabana banje ni
unyambe mugarire Sunday
twabire ntumura headmaster bakani bamwita Clayton
omujungu
natweta timwe babahire basari
kurunji twakutangira eshaha neza gacenshire ebiro by'ukwezi bya 2023 okwezi no kwa mwenda umwaka 2025 Serena nwamanya ne Sunday Brand nito tulabe tukusiyaho agacenshire hagutwatewekanisa omwebazyo gutwaza kwakire mutu y'amakuru tugaruce nago ombwejire
Omugacenshire kireki abanyishengero basengirwa karuruka NRM Primaries nibekwasa government abo kutasya buherezo njyanga byabo abashoza barukora hansharo ya Uganda na Democratic Republic of Congo betombo iteremshoro eyonjire
batuchovola ba police board abantu bazikozesa nnyo kubango banga tulina kyakukola
abarukwenda entebe y'obwa meya ahabo Rembo Mbarara baraganisa kurwanisa obushomankuzi
icyo nyandangirwa n'sedara abo kubanya utindo kora
amakuru ombwijire abarukayanda entebe y'obwa meya bwo Rembo Rwambarara rizo abacira omukwehandikisa abaraganisa kubarukuza kurwanisa obushomankuzi na kasasiro kubarije kuba barabireho mukarora kabona omwaka ogurukwija
aharisha ishatu zakasheshe Stanley Katembeya owekibina cha PFF yaba yashyira hagashozi boma office za Electoral Commission okwehanditse kuza kwayanira entebe y'obwa meya ubwo Rembo Mbarara Katembeya nwe yabanza kwehanditsa kando gugwa ko murundo gwa kanaru kwesimbaho emirunde ndija twire na yesimba bari kumusinga konka we nagira ngo wari kumanye bizubu bya Mbarara City.
Katembeya Stanley Tugume duly nominated as a candidate to contest for election as district chairperson stroke city mayor of Mbarara City.
muri mbarra harimo ibintu bingi ibyakwembyenda gukorwa cyo kubanza cyabyona harimo corruption number 1 ejo nyenda ngirwa nsize dara abo kubanyotinde corrupt n'abanyambara bingire bamanya katembe atari corrupt so nyenda esente yempa y'umushoro yona erabe nejo musite ekore cesheme kubane ukora konka kutara kugira ngo nesente zo kuza kubaganwa batekono koratsi
umubanda bayihanditsa ukuritanira entebe yo bwameya bwa Mbarara City ne Senate agaba owabinje barukumanya nka Senex kandi ayina masiko agokutungura rembo Mbarara
ibintu kutekateka kutandikiraho mu myaka 5 ya kumbere ima y'abaranyambara barambereze no kurwanisa corruption okuriyetingaho embera y'abantu baburijo especially abari kutandika kureba ngo twaba supporting nka government babasa kuza capital yabo ninge ntandwe barabibine imishoreje twire turebane bateganisa ereze twajibiho bayiza kugira capacity
abanda bayihanditsa harimo ba kansara nka Muhammad Byansi owasinjirwe aka NRM kandi ariyo nagaruka tine kibina cyona cyo butegetsi
kuba nabasa kwihandikisa system zona nazerabamo kandi bampandika simbo yanje yenakozesa nesha nimanyisa abantu bambara State South nkiri nimwe ubwire bona nyenda tukwatanise
ebintu nikwenda gukora of course waka ninga shomo rumugwa kansara no kujwekera y'abantu becyanga ki kandi ari kubanywanisa naho bwebembezi buri n'abantu bakubanaye kandi ndikutandikira hamenyeto
wemeya Robert Kachebezi naija kwihanditsa hizobe rya nyencakade omakura gandi Abel Bizimana mukuru w'entebe ya katana habwa district ya Kisoro yihaye impapura okwesimba ahabunyishengero bwa Bufumbira East atine kibina cye by'obutegetsi ogwa kesimbo mu karuru ka NRM primaries konka kamunaga
so bakareba ukuntu bakanga kandi abana bavuye mu shuri ariko ubu ngubu bari mwibanga security baruti abantu ba Bufumbira East agasene muzakajye noneho mukinyuguze murangize uje mu kabox tikinge z'urupayi nuko isi tuyikore surprise erega ibitangaza ni igihe umuntu wagawaga abaye utsinda
Bizimana yashobora habwenja rukwenda kugaruka atine kibina bwanyuma yo kusingwa omuka NRM primaries
ku buryo amatora ya NRM atari amatora yo wagenda ukavuga ngo yabaye amatora ahantu ntekereza ko nidutorwa kandi tugatorwa mu buryo bwo gukurikira amategeko mu Uganda Electoral Commission kandi bizera yuko nzabona amajwi menshi cyane atari ngaye yo nabonye yo baguze nk'abari kugura ikingo mu Gatara
tugomba tubagira inama kugira ngo babone uko baza kuzuza amazu gabo so nta twaguma turi kuvuga ngo dushaka tubariza umusite kandi tudafite imihanda myiza tudafite amazu meza kandi dufite no gukangurira n'abandi bantu bafite n'amahoteli nangase n'abandi bashaka kugira bakamahoteli n'amahoteli dufite kugira ngo amahoteli gagire isuku
shashura imitwaro 20 ubwo ni chapaso rero C5 then shimire ko ino bwegese ukika senior ya mukaga narshi yacukugesha misaraza kuba wahereze nka senior ya kana ukagenda ukakora nka diploma imyaka 2 ejo nabajirenganiza na senior ya mukaga
ahabwa TV West and area Saratugusa na Keta tuzarirwe
abanyamakuru bitu abantu bacene babahika hambuga za district ya Mbarara omurwizwera okubasa kwehandikisa kwesimba hantebe zitari zimwe na zimwe ahabwa district abayihandikise rizoba barimutongerwe hygiene koragire oyesimbira bwa chairman rwa district age ahakakonja ka NRM
for the nomination candidate for LC5
hygiene tonjirwe ko ragire owasingira karuka LC5 ahabwa district ya Mbarara k'ikibina cya NRM no mu bantu baca bayihandikise rizoba kandi ogwo yasimba bwa chairman LC5 wa district ya Mbarara ahakakonjika movement ogusa umugishogo kusima abanyambarara abo kumuho bushagiki omukarura kahwire
aba NRM especially abantu yakaruru bakampa mandate nimbasi mantine bugarukiro nyanga twagaruka mu cyayi kumaririza icyamuheru
haro habanda bayihandikise rizoba abarumu Victor Twino mugisho yesimbira bwa kansara bwa Rubaya Jennifer Katushabe yesimbira bwa kansara mukazo Rubindi Ruhumbatano kanso Chris Muhimburo yesimbira bwa kansara Rubindi Sabukawonti hamwe n'abandi abitwagambaho nabo
naba nominated nimbashaba ngo twatanise umurugendo rutwatandika urukushera karuru turunda karuru ko businje kandi turunda karuru kamazi matera karuru kenshonga
kansara flag bearer wa NRM ahawa district head kansara Rubindi Ruhumbatano kanso erizoba na ijaha electoral commission kwehandikisa and have been fully nominated.
Naheza kuba nominated aba district councillor direct aba Rubindi sub county nimbata mu bwesigwa abo kunta kumpereza flag ya NRM kandi bakancheza kagumiza muni contestinga nkehandikisa aba nominations zezerizo
orukura by'uburura bwa district ya Mbarara yashobora byo mu ntaro kwita go kwehandikisa kwesimba harengo rwa district
candidate names na supporters proposers seconders and candidate agents to capturing information yabo especially voter numbers ako kuteka voter numbers ninga national number or registered voter ikoretum system tutshimara system of approving election tukuza kuzaha ballot paper then tukudikiraringa gire nominated
nubwo abahandikwe rizo baba bace orukura byo bururu yagira ngo batunge ikizubu cya network ecyateganise mirimo yabo ahabwa TV West and Aidan Bataringaya
Aidan Bataringaya abayihandikisa okwesimba hantebe zitari zimwe na zimwe aharengo rwa district umuri Kiruhura bayoreka obutashemerwa abo kuteganisibwa bari kubashaba ibintu ebibatarabagambire abantu bagira ngo cabihamu sente kandi abandi bagaruka omaka gabo batehandikise
abebyo bururu barebwa bari kushomesa abantu kandi abandi bashabwa garuka yo kuronde birukwetagwa ecyaretera ba kansara kwetombwitira abebyo bururu abwo butabashomesa ombwire
rimwe twashanga bitaterekine icyo kureberaho bakatugambira from bank twatunga receipt district twahika kandi mugaruko waka twagaruka twahika umunda rimwe bamba kuri bambenda ibirukuragiru ibyikiragiro byateganisibwa munonga system
services zo kuzarudi uko bagiro kidiketinga abantu is very tiresome kaba kugira ngo no to kumana rero umugongo kandi kabizo
abandi basima bateze nabakachiko kebyo bururu
kandi siba abantu barosha ndakwateno nyitsimbireho bandikire narabahono kozidi mwene rizoba ibiro bishatu nija kunominating
nashikaha zazishaha mushanju natwara forms zanje bakora verification bagira ngo ntegerezeho nategerezaho ukire banyeta banominatinga nahabwecho izoba ryarenga kurunji
muganda bayihandikise mu rukungiri baraganisa kore ntunguko mbyanga byabo
hata namara kwehandikisa nzagaruka mu karuru abo kuba abantu basimera imbere bakora banyongera karuru primary
ebinkozire bakabitaka kurwaga mu Southern Division ikindo zikurenga ina zikoze byose byabo inguto zikurenga kitano mukaga izabisaka bavuga zona zigireho so hati no kuza welfare y'abantu banje ya Southern Division
ndire nimpereza kunka obuhereza biro butaka kikireji mbweno nintekateka ngo kuba aranyongere ninza ko yongera ku kubahereza nibwe amezi marungi amashanyarazi marungi imihanda mirungi inguto mungi amashomero marungi kugira ngo tuyongere tungura umwanya gwitu
Abaske na maruru kurebyo Burum district ya Rukungiri najyangwa bahandikwe rizo batabara kwikirizwa gukora za campaign mpako baragambirwe kuchikora
abingi twabahandikiye ari abakiriye mu biza so n'umuco mu gendo mwiza konka hari abapikingiye narisabye twahandikira twahereze twakwikiriza gukora campaign zabo kuba twakamaniza campaign kugura gusa tuteba kuranga kampeni zezo twazoregiretinga kaba mu ngorane no gucenjana kureba ngo akaruru bakarondo bwunganiza kandi no mu ihorere
Wilberforce Ngoma Hims ubwo muhezo wa RDC bwari kungiriye ashaba baheza kwehandikisa kuronda akaruru ko businje
no kugira ngo akaruru akabaza kuza mutorutaro n'akaruru ko kushaba abantu bakakakwereza so kandi abakaza mbona umwetekateke ibintu bibiri ukasinga ninga kakakusinga ebararwo muri ibyo bibiri ugire nabyo
Gasha kwa Paul turiyamureba na Dan Basibye
abanyamakuru betu arukurura kuteza bururu om district ya Shema yarabura abubona abarukaya ndente bestari zimwe na zimwe okutama no mukurondo bushagici bitutari kuretaho obwimucero
Ebi byagambwe rizuba obamwe mu besimbira hantebe zitari zimwe na zimwe babanu bihaye nomination forms okwetabo mu karura karukuza kuterwe 2026.
Why vision politics there are two options. You win or you lose. So ideally voter education is to akora turagambira abantu mentally bine kuba prepared either to win or to lose.
Bamwe omu bahandikwe rizuba bahaye kutereza emyanya yabo eyibarkwenda kujwekera.
Of course ibikushobora bingi abo konkanye umwana muto kandi ngemenyeto tuzumbira umukwesimba kugira ngo ihangeri terikabasa kubaho rutine abantu bato so kitabona kanso nimba subiza kugira ngo kuba kuntayo nga kansa rero C5 njya kucocera muje mbazocereje munonga district
mbwene nyowe mbire ni nko kumbire nimbagambira ndukushaba karuru mbire nimbagera ngo bwanyuma yo kumpa karuru nkebembera nyowe ninkora sabuni nkora mazita nkore nkitu ninza kureta projects zo kukora sabuni
umwembezi w'abantu nyenda kugaruka mu town council ward zitu tukakora enkiko tukamanya ngo kwehara horutindo rundwera karvati turaganise tugende turonde karvati district kutiraziye twajya ngo n'itanu tuwehe yitano kungasta shereka tukagambisha tu
ahitwagera kwandikira makuru agati no rwende ntebe yo kuba chairman w'entebe ya katano owaba yahandicise umugandi okuhandika barukwenda kwesimba hantebe zitari zimwe na zimwe omukaruru kabona kwatandika kandi umurubirizi abatura baraganasubwa karuru kihorere
so enamba abantu babari bakitirinje munonga nyina masiko mbere gushaka ngo kuba twabahereza. According to Lubirizi district as an electoral area, Arengorwa district, if all kuba bari opposite, don't expecting abantu makumyasha.
Na nakabura kakariyonikije akakatandike izo we are alert and we are set to go. Abo kubantu bayo kubicugo cyona kitiko kureba ngo twakitereza. Kandi no mu gwitwubekinga shuwa ngo abantu obari mu butebekevu bakuno weji n'ibintu byabo so utakagira ubwoba akabura katorede kukakuma ahubwo buryo cyone tuki
aruho abija kwehanditsa abutwaganiraho nabo ahakubetebekanisiza karuraka
banywani banje barubiriza ebendere y'imwankwasize well protected turon tukora mini zone ezituru kubasa gukora kumenga shwa ngo twafuna ebendere yitwaguma nayo kandi twazo mu ntebe kuko matiremo gwese makatwereza mani ni inyicereza ngo turi kwija kujagajaga turi kwija kuranzaranza yarwaje ese tukora turi serious tinisi tukasa kutera ha mutwe
for example abantu abahirire paka most especially abantu bakatunguru kumukwika kintu cha constructions amazu ganyu obwiro bwinji enjoso nziza zigasenya zigatera hansi konka tubakubasa kurugaya hawo kujya tumwino muntu akwisya yira karyanyu akabasa bakiza bakakompensatinga ebizimbe byanyu ninga properties zanyu
amanya Judson Muganoro obitaragendire kurunji omukaruru ka primary zakaheretse kwa yaranje ro kugaruka tine kibina cyona okwayanere ntebe y'ubunyishengero kazi ahabwa district ya Rubirizi
namazima ndiyo muntu wa NRM abanyarubirizi mu kimanya kandi ndikada wa NRM konga wo kugira ngo ubururu katambura kubi shazire munagira ngo nyesimbe ka independent mbashabe ubushagici mumpereza karuru kanyu mbase kubajekera
amakuru agagasha kwa Michael atwacire na Onesimus Indianabo
mwibare abanyamakuru betwaza kumuraho twijene cweka ecya kabiri
in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Kurukubujwireje turukwetaga no kugamba aba original garments bari sirimpinduko mu kujwara nibajwe kabashija nabojo hamwe n'abana na perfume zone bine suits z'umurembe ezimbaga eza office amasata gagumire na t-shirts empare za office hamwe na za casual wear denim jeans hamwe na shirts jumpers na sweaters z'umurembe bine na shorts hamwe na belts enunji abarkwenda vests boxers hamwe na socks z'original shiraba original garments abashija enkito zanye nunji is the original is our office sneakers hamwe na flats original garments nibashangwa hala Grand Mall Mbarara City a High Street ahamarugo kubanza room number ya kana note mshanju 82 emwe mshanju mukaga note na note mshanju note emwe mshanju mukaga note
nyebiti kubyenda
Penkoni yakwera utamuye umumudu nokora ekikire wanyompenkoni noshumura kushemererwa urubunuzi na nobusinge noenda kuchamuka mpenkoni
igenda yakintu cyo kunywa chonka
mpenkoni ne kwamani uhindiko mushija nyishija mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje teri kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa umutwe sinza kutambura ngasinywede ku mpenkoni ukakasi kwata nawe nywako tunge icupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no mabarago no mwihanga iwo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi
mpenkoni wakinkorire
Skylight Hotel eresora uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City ahi barukwereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette Rolex shumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe nebindi
bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazihangwe nibateke nkoko embuzi ecenyanja muchamo obushaza akaro ekitoche echozi emondi greens obutura eshwiga kande cyo kunywa nikigenderaho
hey manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe aha beyi nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira
bine bara yo murembe pool table sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijuka ngu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera note mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga note mushanje note mukaga 36
Mothers of Africa.
Mama, will I ever be the best doctor in Uganda?
Well, you've got to be like a geisha bar, staying strong and going so far. Never give up till you reach your goal.
Okay, Mama. I'll be strong and go so far, lasting long like this geisha bar.
Strong and last long
like geisha.
wakozesa momo nobu inamani kukushashuje bwagura ulikozesa simu yawe hatari okuteganisibwa yimata star emwe mukagitano star 3 hashi ningasho scanning code kudownloadinga momo app kushashuje kintu chona hariho kuteganisibwa na change kandi kiri kukiraho sente zako aho wabo ine cyo kushashura nubasa kongera hazi wabo ine ulikozesa momo advance ejo niyo momo amani agari kuretera kukiraho.
ogito wagito konka abantu mu kidara kabatakagiremo MC takiziri DJ atumwe na wiring ebyoma tugumisize shanki ibiri
bantu mwareka turgo mu muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju nizeze nyine byo ni shara cake tukazakunyumbo
na wampensi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ninyende mbogo yoka nembogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje.
Hayes recruitment experts jobs abroad n'amashemerwa mingi nabatabarusi yabona abafune visas bakatambura kandi benjera kubanyisa abantu mwena mw'imihendo yabo ebashazire mpaka miliyoni 2.9 mega discount byona biwire harimo visa air ticket emishana mirungi munonga okora cyaye cyenyonyi omu Dubai emirumo kaba customer service airport security aviation stewards check-in agents, landing grounds guides and aircraft cleaners okuhandisa no kwabusha ahamirimo yona ahamataji gabogona
esimu noti mushanju ina note emwe ibiri ishatu ina itanu mukaga ninga noti mushanju ina itanu ninga noti mushanju ina not rukumi.
Muzamu nagacenjwire bamwe ombanyishenjero abasingirwa akarero ka NRM primaries baye kwasa government abo kubanagirira ikaremwa kwisya obuherezo mbyanga ekiretira abatezi bakaruro kutekateka ngo nibo baremerwe okora emirimo yabo.
Byabaho mu rusamo rw'ishengero rizoba orwayibemberwa mukuru w'empanura z'ishengero ry'ihanga Anita Among bwanyuma yo kumaresa biti biro mu ruhumuro.
The rains in eastern Uganda have ravaged in various districts, notably in Kapelebyong, Otuke, Alebtong, Amuria, Abim, Bukedea, and most parts in Soroti.
Omurishtamoru abanyishengera basengerwa mu karura kahwire nibagera mu government ekabanagera okusya obuherezo mu byaro ngo nicyo cyabagwisize.
Uruguto rw'urganiganya kahita okaza nchomerwa okaza mu kirindi okaza katerera okaza karubenge turwakakorwa hoga uruguto rwo rukafata karawanga motoka na nebindi bicweka bingi munonga efire umuruweju.
Abanyishengero ku rwo mu rubajo rukuhakanisa government nibenda minister w'enshonga z'umunda yihanga ngo abagambira usa mu gumya kumirwe bwanyuma yo kutwarwa enshumenche yengwire baro kumuiho mu town yambara.
Sam Mugumia, who was with you in FDC before I joined, he was kidnapped. Up to now, we don't know where he is. So my issue, Madam Speaker, is the issue of deteriorating civic space that I ask the minister responsible since he's here to tell us.
Bwanyuma yo kwetomba itoku mukuru w'empanura z'ishengero ry'ihanga yashaba minister w'enshonga z'umunda y'ihanga okureta icyandikwa hanshongeji gashakwa Jimmy Muhumuza.
Muzamu namakuru abashubuzi abari gukora hanshare ya Uganda na Congo umukatara ka Mpondwe nebetongweta abw'imishoro yari kugira ngo ni myinji munonga ebi babigambiro babere bari mu rukiko urikirwa minister w'ubushubuzi ari one stop border post omuri Mpondwe mu district ya Kasese.
Okuruzira abashubuzi n'amunonga barukushubire byenyanja hamwe n'abaguze emyenda y'ebitenje emishoro erenzure kandi hati bakora rosi.
But we are requesting the URA or the government of Uganda compared to the taxes to cut the price to reduce so that it can allow us to freely trade and also talk to our counterpart of South Sudan, also allowing us as we are giving them free space of trading here. They are freely trading, but reaching to their country, it is a total challenge that we are going through as per now.
Kakati chovola ba porous border abantu bazikozesa nnyo kubanga obanga tulina kyakukola ekitundu kibule mu kitundu ate bakusabe kikiliyaringa mutwalo ate nawo ng'ogenda kiguza gumu kanana usanga nga temuli.
General Wilson Basumbadi or Minister w'ebyobushubuzi hamwe n'amakorero araganise okuganiraho n'ab'ekitongole ky'emishoro okureba ngo enshonga yaterezebwa.
We will talk to the URA and so that they can study it because if we don't handle those taxes properly, then traders will go where they are handled properly.
We find that sometimes our traders are reaching South Sudan and they are blocked. As per now, as I'm speaking, they are most of our traders are not allowed to buy fish in South Sudan because they are saying buying fish from there, it is all reserved for local people, not for foreigners.
Bamwe mu bashubuzi nibagira ngo hariho no kubatwariza kubi omu ihanga area Democratic Republic of Congo.
Abanyarwanda bagira muka ubwire bw'abakwaterayo omuntu nahiko mu office yabo bakingirana mu Abanyarwanda babarazo mu office yabo. Instead of
having competition that Congolese are pulling the word rope to bring the market back to Congo, and this is our livelihood. We are surviving on this trading of fish, and if this market goes back, meaning that we are going to suffer. As we can see, even the hotels, the lodges, and the market is booming because of this fish market.
However, by our counterparts, we will talk to them because we already gave a waiver to the Congolese citizens entering Uganda, and so we will request them to reciprocate.
Entebe kanisa ya minister okuhika 500 ya Uganda hamwe n'amahanga gandi negendo mission kagumwe aha miringo yo kwira abashobozi okora kurungi ebyemishoboro yabo. Gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.
Gilbert twaza kuburaho tugaruka.
Kumandika na tera abana beka ukamere banavama MTN bakagama promotion get the power to win ndero funeli yanyi ndagalo sakeri yanyo wangule abana beko genda wangulu cyo bukade kubi nagane frontline ya MTN musomweri o smartphone downloading momo app obere musimu ngamweri hosigede tokola so banga toyina momo app musimu no ndera kuona banange akasende kankendedeko sina mukasente wansunawo nabale sina ogenda kukasente ya fair ball wanji otuulira naganja kuinvestinga ukozentya banange to invest ukozentya to invest ukozentya momo weri todamu kubona abona nkuulira oli mukatali oli makedi oli masta oli school fees ogenda gula ticket ya mupira ticket ya jogendo gula oli kuchalewa munda kaduko gula bichi kozesa momo ekyo kastochi kola boti nokozesa momo banange oboge ofuya amani yigde mulyanyi abagende bangula bukadde ku buli wiki bukubi mbukwasa bwenti ku momo one mchusa last week we ataka Kasirye rewarding our first winner Mr. Kasirye. Take a look.
Today we are saying you have the power to win. We are giving you the power to do more with Momo. It is an opportunity for all of us to be able to participate in this promo for the next 90 days.
When you heard that you guys won, how did you feel? Did you dance? Did you tell your kids? Did you shout?
At first, my husband had refused. He thought it were these fake people. He sent me some audios of some guy called Bruno Betty.
Okay.
I was like, this is his voice. He kept saying, no, it's not true, it's not. Until some lady also called him on some MTN official line, and we really confirmed it is true.
That's nice.
Mukadde kumi badu amukwasiza Mr. Kasirye.
Basabone banyabo Kasirye mumulabye essanyu mulirabi. Leka ate kuwa omuwanguzi wange owokubiri wanje omuwanguzi owokubiri. Ebo, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. Nyama uyo akomyawo akenda wange kwate simu. Hello. I'm called Bruno Betty and I'm calling from MTN. Can I have your name, madam, please?
My name is Lucy.
Lucy, you from where, Lucy?
I'm from Chenjeje.
You've won 10 million from MTN.
Okay.
But you're not happy. You're not happy. Can I hear some karuru there? Some karito karuru.
you.
No, I'm not scaring you. This man is sente nyingi, Madam Lucy sente nyingi. Okola role mochi.
I'm just a farmer.
A farmer?
Yes.
Kati millions in a kumbi ogenda koroti. Yeah.
You're just making me so excited. I think I'll expand my business farm. Right now I'm in the garden, so you're even giving me to expand my mind. I'll open poultry. I can buy more land.
Yeah.
So that I can put my matoke and export to Kampala for my business.
So on Friday we are coming there.
Thank you so
and
much.
We are bringing you money. Can I hear some karuru kala katinitini? Some excited? Lucy mama ulinde basewa nabanya ngenda gende chenjojo. Ewe tukile chenjojo bamta amomo. What? Bambita amomo. Katino na usuburo okuwangula sente zino bukadde 10. Mama nezitegerezigenda kusemo ye otia ogenda kusasula pe. Kyogera kusasula kyonna kozesa momo. Wanje ogenda kubolowinga kozesa momo. Ogenda ku invest kuba kusiga kozesa momo. Obulambe nga butambula. Wanje nonya ddako anaddako mu kwaso bukadde 10 yali banga gwe. Basewa ne banyabo muninde echenjojo nzija.
Oino mukoro nk'embaga yo kugitwa okwinjira graduation okusima enchiko za AGM n'emikore ndijo yona abatina events bakuretera obuhereza bw'orurengo rw'ensi yona obwa decoration mega tents hamwe na tents z'ebike bindi byona akasente kenshiko tina events nibashangwa ahacombeko echa Central Market room nambi 17 ahari Mbaguta Street omuri Mbarara City okumanya biri kukiraho tera noti 7 5 chenda na mwenda ananeina tina events nito twenko muri burengero rw'izuba abino buhereza bw'umurembe
katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo katochi okurugeri izuba abantu banje tibarigaruka kugire nakwa hamutima byaguma binamashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya echa katochi mugume munywecho katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo katochi ina chama chayo muhute katochi yerya hamutindo katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho.
Yeah, possible.
Looks like whoever drops the ball buys a Pepsi. Go on, Jack. Sonny! Saved by Leah Williamson. Wow, Vinny Jr. Game over.
Wait, there's only one Vinny J.
Pepsi, thirsty for more.
abantu baburenje kuzuba mwina tubeta aba katanu ibiro bitanu byo kwamwenda okwija kushaba hamwe ibyo aruna kugocujuma nyumanye biri kubaho nyumanya hangi yarikora muje tushabe hamwe kandi tuza kuba tusibire okusaba kuti mutandiko bwo kubanza mpaka kusoba katanu tuyehebye byaremire kandi moya kanaza kuri byamani muje mwene hanga batuhere muje tushare hanga tusimbire
nitwakira omuri rwa Mbarara Suits umwanya gw'umugwaje no muteka umuri Mbarara City hati twigwireho conference hall iyo mutindo gwa higuru nibyo kwejinisa omunchiko nka projectors no kurire kitongore no indo mwanya go gukorera muza seminar board meetings nebindi umwanya ni rwa Mbarara Suits conference center twine bishenje byo kuraramo ibyo mutindo gwa higuru munonga single double hamwe na executive suites ebara yo mutindo restaurant n'aba chef barunje munonga nitshangwa alipoti 14 Mosque Road Mbarara City esimu noti mshanji noti 3 58 nshanji na mukaga anana munana ninga noti mshanji 5 noti emwe hashatu nemwe nshanji nina
n'amakuru bakansara ba district ya Bushenyi bashaba office ya RDC okutandika kuchondoza hari engineer obwo bari kumujinana okuremwa gukora emirimo ye abantu bagira ngo engineer aremerwe kore nguto akaziheza ngo kandi ezakozire nazazikozire binkwatire ki enkute ziri kugambwaho zino buringwa bwa kilometers 3 n'eshweka.
You are representative of some counties. So let your sub-counties don't see the leadership.
Emberan kwebirizo byanyumwazyo omukase ya Bushenyi ubwo bakansara bari kugamba hangute zirimo rwa Kantunda Municipal Stretch hamwe na Chanje bakansara nibajunana engineer wa district Mboni Mpachiza abwo kuremwa kore nguto hezi bahingwize korwa omwako gwa hwire.
Recently tumaze kubakosha. Even the money with the book today. Now it is about 8 months. On the warfare, so Mr. Speaker, through your chair, I would like to request the engineering department. If they put that wire on top of that grass without first making bush clearing, I will further make photos, I will petition to you to go, then to the ministry.
Abo kwa wale neza kwa program ya district zone abo kwa wejeste akawa overseer akagumana reba akarga omu hand zone abo kwa twalisa ngo ogumshia kwa America a hand zone finally na result suzaga katika zone uzaga kongeje n'umugeje kinange ekizimbe turuga kutoha n'umushia so byakuza saida kasipinga saidi wakakora mu gukorera ngo ibintu byakorwa I think within 1 month
abana bo bajunanire akachiko ka chairman abukoremwa umurimo gwabo okushobora hanshongeji diswa district ya Bushenyi Sanyu Fiona nagira ngo sente z'amajuta zikashohozwa kandi n'abakozi bahebwa allowance zabo konke nguto zanjire kwa.
We hired equipment to do the grading. We finished grading in March. We hired the equipment to excavate Mariam. Mariam was excavating. By May, we had Mariam on the roads. Fuel was given out for spreading Mariam. People were paid allowances. We are in September. Who is the problem?
On 1 billion road, the snake will bite the person. I beg submit.
Engineer mkwetonga naho ajasenga ibyuma bikafa kandi bamakanika kurwo mustongore cha works bachererwa ko bikanika.
It so happens that as we ended the financial year, all the team we are doing for service and the president Mara regional workshop to come in and they do 3 weeks. They were service on 16th of July. If that was not the case, we would have finished by now.
Ogu ahiro kwezi kumwe okutereza ebishobere byona gashakwa Edson Chinene.
Edson Chinene Minister uri kurebera by'indasya n'enshoboza bihanga muri Beatrice Akelo aragire abyo kwarinda uko mukuru w'ishomero rya State Primary School umuri Ryantonde ebi bibireho umukurambura embera y'amashomero n'amarwaro ga government omuchanga n'icyo kimwe
omuhuru zo kushwijuma inshonga zebye bwegese n'ebyamagara Minister bandize kwegaranjura State Primary School Kaliro eyashanje mbere kwerekeza ezimugemeserize kuragira polisi okureka empingo Ambrose Machati mukuru w'ishomero.
The teacher is not completely in charge of the school. The inspector of schools no longer inspect the schools because the classrooms, which has been constructed by government, has been turned into the cattle plant, has been turned into a store for storing coals, for rearing chicken,
very smelly. And another big challenge that we have got is that because of lack of teachers accommodation at the school, and there are no training centers neighboring the school has nowhere. So the partition part of the classroom will be the teachers' accommodation.
They got from someone from the church's garden, and then had to put them together and that class to my access.
What about the chicken that they are
It is for the teacher.
Ebitande by'abakumi n'abashomesa mu bibiina by'abeegi ebisharu n'obufa bwa bucika nibyo bishangirwe shomesa beejo mu kihumuro kubareebera enshonga zaaguma baamirwe ensi. Omurikashaga Masidi School nayo tushangireyo kutonzya ngu ishomero lyatwire sente ziri kweshumba biliyoni 3.9 likazingama abayo bashobangiriro.
Ubwo busasa bunyine ni sente obunako butwazitungire okakusyo bunako bishobora kutakwira abana baitu barahariya nibabona bondaho abana bihanga kandi twatungire sente z'ukwingana zityo. And the construction is at 85%. The remaining work is 15%. And the contractor is supposed to complete this work within the remaining 3 months because the YouGift funding is ending by December. But I realized that the Ministry of Finance, when funds was swept back to consolidated fund, at the end of financial year, did not commit the money back to the district.
Gwamarwaro nkakasambya na kaliro ngutigine mbazeru kumara haza hariyo nebindi bikirizi nko kwa bebembezi bari kushobora.
Fune mirambo nijimara mu weeks 2 weeks 3 twetaga mochari eri so modern esobora kuma abantu ngabafude mu mbere nungi nga tubaswaza ekyo nakyo kizibu kikyumburi so nebintu ebirare byagenda okusanga.
Their discrepancy doesn't depend on our kit. It depends on what they have moved versus what is on paper.
I don't know, my team,
yes,
that
is the pushes. Yes.
Yeah, you take keen interest in this one?
It's very challenging.
That depends on their needs.
Yes.
Minister no kwetororo mucyange cyagureta Masaka omusabiti yoneji okugonjora enshongano zozima ndisande William ahabwa TV West.
Sunday William ko muringo gumwe okurwanisa omuze gw'obushuma gw'embazi ya government ekitongore ekiri kujunanizibwa aha mutindo gw'embazo mu ihanga ekya National Drug Authority kyakwata omushiija obire nayiba embazeegi arikugitamburiza ombasi ogu okwatwa kwe kwijaho bwa nyuma yo kutunga amakuru agari kumukwataho bwa nyuma batandika okumutamburiraho mpaka kusyo bamukwata.
Ekitongore kya National Drug Authority kirukwerwaho polisi kikwasire Samuel Munyore n'emibazi ya government yo kutangira abakazi kugerenda jete contraceptives. Abiyazi Rwamwiri omugambirizi w'ekitongore kya National Drug Authority nagira ngo kwatwa kwa Munyore nukwijaho bwa nyuma yo kutunga amakuru ahabushuma bw'embazeegi kandi bakamugenda hakagera mpaka okusyaho bamushangiro mu basi ya Gold Line ebirene rugo mu district ya Bushenyi.
National Drug Authority ebade tracking consignment ye dagara nga riva ebushenyi ryaze ku basi je bayita Gold Line bus services eno tubade tuji tracking era twagisanze mu Kisenyi ekirungi ne tusanga mu dagara lye tubade tutebereza era ne tukwata nanyini lyo ayitibwa Samuel Munyore ono twamusanze ne implant buno obuntu obutangira abakyala okufuna embuto naye ngambwe mubadde mulaba mu stories especially ku mikutu eja online buno obuntu abaana b'amasomero batandise n'okubukozesa tutebereza abasajja abeyagaliza oba abantu beyagaliza nga Samuel Munyore bebamaliriza nga bayingiza lino eddagala ku gye tuyita ku akatale regulated black market.
Munyore ashangirwa mu basipaka ya Kisenyi ahakwatirwe kandi akatwarwa ha polisi ya Old Kampala bwa nyuma yo kushangwa n'emibazi yenyine y'ibabire nibamuteberezaho okuba yayibere.
Lino eddagala oba eno lyenyine eno implant eno kubeera lya government era tutebeeza nti bali beeyo mu malwaliro ga government eyo Bushenyi erivudde babadde bagezaako okujjako ebiwandiiko ku box naye bwe tucekinze ku barcode oba batch number eri ku kino yeri ne ku box gye twakutte
nikiteberezebwa ngo obushumo obu babire no babakorera mu marwariro ga gavumenti omu bicweka bya Bushenyi nabwanyuma basiimuraho obumanyiso bwa gavumenti aha mibazi egi n'ekigendererwa ky'okujuguza heeru.
Tukubiriza Bannayuganda okutuloopera abo bebateebereza nti beyingiza mu nsonga ezikwatagana n'eddagala. Eddagala no bwe liba lirungi bwe bano ngero gye balitambuzaamu eddagala lirina okubeera mu temperatures zero regulated naye n'ekirala beno bamaliriza nga balingiza ku katale ne bamaliriza nga ligenze mu mikono emikyamu. Abaana baffe ab'amasomero abatalina okubeera ne zino implants. Family planning yeetaaga omukugu okugiweereza nga amaze okukebera kumanya kiki ekikukolera.
Rwamwiri nagira ngu okwasirwe hatarindirwa ha polisi ya Old Kampala kandi nakujunanwa emishango ebiri erimu ogw'okutambuza emibazi atiine rusa rwona na n'okugira emibazi ya gavumenti omu buhenda biragiro. Gashakwa na Good Fatima.
Webale na Good Fatima twaza kumuraho tugaruka.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Mommy?
Yes?
At school, everyone crunching.
Nange kumulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire ekyo shuwa. Honey, mwana muwe. Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Iri zuba nza kutayire cyaro mufite utosha kakuba kuri yo kwesima no kushemerwa. Ombirabira inganda zitazi mwe na zimwe n'ebyanga bakabateranira hamwe okusharura ebishaka by'embere konkebere abakugu omu kampani ya Moviti bagitse ebirungo byona omu kintu kundeka mwana wanje takiriho kuteganisibwa Moviti habo nirwo mu kushakira ebishaka bitari bimwe na bimwe okutamba endwara z'ombere nkobihere okweyagura ombere gwona gubaje gubereshera omwana nabasa kwesiga Moviti habo gel aloe vera avocado ningashe papaya
Moviti okweyesiga izoba lyona.
Big thing about the MTN Super. Wali yakapia musite wali yakapia. Wali yakapia. MTN kabo the Super mustairo mpia. Vibe mpia. The
Then you can buy the smartphone, maybe I can be MTN can buy the super mustard pia. Then you can buy the smartphone, maybe I can be
Tunjire kabode super esimu se ya smartphone lero tungeza GBs 16 zabusha tandukana deposit y'emtware na netweka lero zindo zishashure mpora mu bicweka buri izoba uri kushashura sente ziri hansi ya shiringi 10 nobasa kushashura buri wiki nare buri kwezi kiri yahariwe turhamwe amashemerero gito tigine kizivira amateka n'ubushunshurece nibukuratirwa MTN ni rebero la Uganda Communications Commission.
Tugumuzamo n'amakuru kote nkuru omu Eastern Division omuri Rukongere Municipality Rukongere District yaherize kurondana obwa mushinja oburukomesereza Jackson Arunitwe okuba nuwe yisire omukazi we. Arunitwe ni in charge wa Ngoma Health Center ya kabiri omuri Nyakishenyi Rukongere District kandi orubanjoru norwo kucibwe birabiri na bishato kwa mwenda omwaka ogu.
Jackson Arunitwe natekatekwa kuba yisere omukazi we Inidi Natukunda ahabirabiri na bishatu ebyokwezi kwa katano 2023 omuri Rwenanura Nyabitete Buyanja Rukungiri District. Jackson Arunitwe areberwe arkwehozaho omukoti kandi ayehakine orubanjo rungu na wakareba abashija bashatu abatarukumanya bakwisa omukazi we obwo bine ebisyo kandi natekateka okubanu bo bisoro omukazi we.
I saw 3 men. One was holding my wife by his chest while holding a knife. So the other 2 men grabbed me.
Bamwe abanyabuzare bo mugenzi Inidi Natukunda nibagirango Jackson ebyariyo nayehozaho byona nebishuba nuko kushaba koti okubahereza oburinganiza obwo muntu wabo.
Jackson yariyo nagamba empushukane ebyabitakwatiriine nebitware bire nebiyabire yatugambire abo kuba yagira ngo mukazi we akamwigorra je bataho munju yamutagasida n'izibana aba yari yashakiro nabo nkuyabira ari yawahorra abandi abashija bashatu bijo munju gusa kutandika kurwanisa omukazi we kuyagiriye kumuyamba nuko abashija bo bakirukanga akabirukaho nabo bakamukurura bakamukoma muguha omukiyungu omustoa
obujuruzi bubene poreka ngo uwo wamwisiri wenyine kimwita ni Jackson kandi Jackson obu yakayihakana ngo we ngo hakija abantu bashatu aba batahirire bakakwata umugenzi munyanyazi bakamwita.
Amakuraga gashakwa dano basibye omuri Rukungiri.
Namakuru abatura okurwa mugombore ya Kabamba omu district ya Kagadi abayombekire irwarro batungire embazo kurwa mu government banyuma y'emyaka 10 bombekire irwarro konkartaro mu mibazi.
Abatura nibagirango bakakoresa amani nesente zabo okweyombekera irwarreri ngumbwenu government okubijuka ekabahereza emibazi nikibagaruzamu amani.
Intu ekinareba ekyatushemeza munonga ekiyikire kyaturetere emibazi kandi twaturategana munonga turukwato mwanda turaza Kagadi tutebasize konka twareba ekikire mazima cyaturetere emibazi ekyo nico cyatushemeza munonga.
Rwariro ito tukaryeyombekera nkitwe nk'abantu abataka twayekuramo abandi tukazaro mu nkomo bashozo umutwaro twayombekira irwariro twafuna nabandi abagira kisa omukube sisira katwembaho nabanje yatuhama bati twayeyombekera irwariro government kayatwebiru.
Abatura nibagirango batwire bari kutegana munonga okutunga obuhereza obwe byamagara obwo bari kutambura engendo ningwa okuza Kagadi ningo mu district ya Kakumiro.
Nabari hano yabina bana abacyara barwire bona barebe mibazi kandi mazima tatu kusibaga hano dushitami tukaronde mbaze kabura atukufuraga box yemwe yembatse nkatsu zunusha hari almost boxing ka 10 eze mibazi
obwire bwenyuma turagena gatuzampo kwe mu district kandi uno wabe isubo kwariyo tufune obuyambi kwenka tubu twamye buyambi bwatwika hitwaza matujana bwo museka sete
abebembezi abecekeki nibagira ngo no batungere emibazi abashahwa hirwa reri nubace nuko kushaba government enshongeji nayo kujerebamo
kandi kushaba ngo abashaho ubona bo twine nka mukuru urakurira irwariro no incharge n'amazima tukureba ngo ari kucyuka munonga shwanshaba nti abashaho buyine ukubaringana urebe ko ngo abasa kurujanja bagwire beto bazayikaho kandi nicyo tubushinge turengo twarwanisa turebe district ngo yabasa kutongeraho ki abashaho
Vincent bisoborwa mukuru w'irwa reri asimere government ahabwo kubijuka
ko kyabyona nesima government abukurikizo mwagwayo bokutwara konyezi ndobuyambi abantu babulikira Kabamba Health Center 3 is one of the youngest facilities that has been recently pushed up to the level of Health Center 3. Has been a Health Center 2. It has been a community aided, but it was taken up by the government.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Thomas Tumwebaze ahabwa TV West.
Thomas Tumwebaze abaturo muri Kagorora Ruhama Eastern District ya Ntungamo bashabwa ko harumze bwo kuguze ibintu government eriko bahire kubasa kurwana soboro
Kiziro bwa nyuma y'abebembezi kurwo mu cyangeki kwetombo itangu bamwe abatungire mponembo zo kwire bakazuguza zitakakiro makagabo abatura babere mbakirente n'umwana kurwo mu poverty alleviation department yatandikirwa mukuru w'ihanga kurwana soboro mbantu ba burijo barukayente n'umwana abantu bakagororo mu Ruhama East District ya Ntungamo kurwo mu poverty alleviation department abebembezi barabwira abatura bakuze ibintu bw'amente ko bahire ko ihomboro
bazugura chipure na n'umwana baza gutwara abashubuza babokora binja bine byoma nabwo biba abazi bito batosha
in almost 60% muri ibe abutwahire kuzi timukizina abutwahire mpunu butosha turacira kuyisha mu ya timukizina so eco conka kiratuma twamanya urabase chinichi waremwe mbuzi nibwo urabasente waremwe kwempano ona waremwe kwempano yempunu empunera zaro bwana munana twakwente nibwo rahempane enterazara erazara gumwe
abantu bagira ngo kigenderwa cya president no kurwana sobworo mbantu ba burijo bitu nabo binekoresa mani kureka ngo batungire ati byafabusha
mwana nenda kubasha abanyayuganda bateranke babana bihura kandi babagira ngo mwimuke mwe ihomboro ubworo niwo bukuruma wenko wawe mwenu mwimuke mukore president tari kugira ngo nakugira nakwihomboro yoteye ihiremo banze ako ni mangwendo zayawe kintu kweta mindset nicyo kintu kikuru omboro wano kurwana soboro banze kurando zayawe
naye yamana abajya ngo mbwenu enteze nayereberaho nanamisho n'umwana kunayereberaho na seedlings zese nayereberaho nabajya munyowe nyizere kudukora kinyizere kugira ntaro nimbashaba nti enteze zibabahereza tutakaba ngaba bahire bakazuguza tutakaba ngaba bahire enteze bakazuguza nore wowe inentabire waheza kwinga entabire warya esugo obwire bwo kubiba bwahika entabire tandika kushekera
enteze gatwara kirisa kandi kwera heze kuzaraniza kuherezaho uranwa ngo kadisi atogeza atabakoma house zakumatikora tyo
ebintu bihirwe birimo mwani internet chebeye mboga ziri kwiragura kandi program eje bembirwa mu cyara Joan Kakwenzire ndi Anita Tukunda
Anita Atukunda omumakoraga by'emuzano timu y'abazana ba primary abajwekire Mbara City omumpaka za Uganda yone za primary ezibire nizihindura muri yombe rizoba bayakirwa bwa nyuma yo kugaruka no mudaro gwa silver ogubasinjire omuzano gwa volleyball yabojo abari hansi y'imyaka 14
timu yambara stage yekiro mu za Uganda yone rizoba yagaruka ku rugo muri yumba impaka z'amashuri ga primary students hindra kandi yakirwa ku njambo gazambara staff mu Rembo Mbarara mukuru w'ibyo bwegesa bwambara stage ziratirwa n'uyaje cyane ya Robert Kachebezo kwakira team Edge y'abazanana na Mushanje aba volleyball yaboje abaryansi imyaka 10 n'abasingwiro mudara gwa silver bwa nyuma yo kwikomuza kamaririzo konka bakasingo ya 10 n'ubwo bushatu babiri kandi aba netball hamwe n'umupira w'ibigere bakira mu ruzana rwa timu 16 konka aba volleyball yabishito bagira mu group atirwe yasima abazani abatende camwe n'abakuru ba timu abo kuzanaje
bana abo participating ngo mbyemizana kuba kwisha bazo mu class bakora ku apana agotumazimu abo kuba nko mwako gwahwire uba bitusoro ubya ball games ubutwabire turimbare o music dance and drama aha muheru gwa biro yiriza tushora bamwe abana bitwabire tunye bakiza bino bonero
kandi tumito bicaze nayo volleyball tukasana tushika finals
rene tukatubashije kuba kubanza twanjamo mu round ya 16
tuzumira ibintu by'imizano tukunda ngo abana bitu babizemo abo kuba bombeka umbongo physically umwana akora namanyi cyari gukora kandi akwana yetegereza cyumuhereza chance umukwega kwe agero kumanya batambura amazumu mahanga nebanga tuwo muringo gwayo bega ibintu binji
aha finals umupira gubeka kwa Kasameme kuri 2-3 against Puni so tumenza kwetereza je kure singa so tumenza kwetereza je everything was okay. Thank you so much for
aba TV Western Aloysius byamukama
Aloysius byamukama amakuru agabye musano ngo gahendera gacinjire agutwatwinire kireki tukusima munonga ibogumere nitwa TV West Serena nwamanya Sunday Brian nabandi abutwakora nabo ntubendeze kurara kunje